What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your steering wheel on your BMW. You're going to go from this to this. First you're going to need to disconnect your battery, so let's get to it. So now you've got the battery disconnected, you can start removing the airbag. All you're going to need is one of these. So with these wheels, there's a little hole. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see. There it is. All you're going to do is poke the screwdriver through there, and you're going to have to push up. As you can see, I've got the screwdriver in there. I'm just going to try and push it up, and the airbag should just come out. Simple as that. And now all you got to do is disconnect these cables, and it's off. Also, don't forget to disconnect that one as well. Now what you're left with is this bolt. So now that the steering wheel's off, you can take it for a spin. I'm only joking, don't do that, it's dangerous. But seriously, you can now fit your new steering wheel. You can see that there's a little mark there that you will have to match with the steering wheel. You can see there on the bottom, there's a little mark that it will slide into. Okay, so now you've got the steering wheel on, everything is lined up there. You can now go and put the bolt back in. And also you can clip this wire in. Make sure it's nice and tight. That's not going anywhere. So once that's tightened down, you can put the airbag in. Clip in the remaining connector. You can put in the airbag, and that's all it takes. Look at that now, how good does that look? Okay, so now that you've fitted the steering wheel, all you have to do is connect the battery and check the steering wheel, make sure everything works. Okay, the battery is now connected. Don't put any trim back before you've tested the steering wheel. Okay, so I'm going to quickly start the car. So make sure there's no airbag warning lights. All you're going to have to do is reset the time since the battery was off. Don't forget to check all the buttons. That works. That works. Cruise control, that works. So as you can see, everything works for me. I didn't have to do any coding or nothing, it's just straight swap. Everything seems to be working fine. Just look at that. If anything was unclear, leave a question down in the comments and I will try to help you out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like the video, and I will see you in the next one.